like a game of jacks. Even as your hands get full, you have to keep playing.
Now, it all makes sense. This is why he wanted me to be here tonight.
And I never paid attention to why people did what they did.
What are you trying to get at?
I can't tell you exactly why, but
the main attraction is one heck of a wild roller coaster ride.
I promise, things are going to change after this.
My value is being able to pursue what I want to pursue.
I always heard that I should grow up, that my mind was childish, my art was childish.
My personality doesn't suit everybody.
You never even applied yourself to anything.
You are not in this alone.
Is that what you want? Then go ahead.
I'm a non-traditional artist. Do you feel that?
So, what's the verdict?
Never give up.
That was your daily energy boost, ladies and gentlemen.